Hello everyone, I am Professor Anand Shringarpure. I have done MA in Economics from Mumbai University, MCom from Mumbai University. I am a NET qualified faculty and also a CFP. I am really proud to be a part of this institution. I observed the progress made by the students who have cleared or who have completed their courses from this particular institute. The best part of this institute is the interaction between the faculties and the students. The students are cooperative, plus they support even the faculties, because being a faculty, I feel that support from the students towards the faculty plays an important role in that development. The students, when they enter the institute, to some extent I can say some students, they lack the confidence, they lack the ability to explain or express their opinions related to the business ideas. But by the time they complete their course, they are able to handle it in an efficient manner. I can even say that the campus facilities play a very important role. This campus has all the important facilities that are required by a student for the academic progress. If you go through the campus, you will find the campus is full of different activities, the campus is having different, say, books related to different subjects, and all these things are very important for the student to make progress in the corporate world. Plus, not only academics, even if you speak about the extracurricular activities provided by this particular institute, even they play an important role in the growth of the student's career. Let's take up an example. If the student participates in an event in a college, the student learns the skills which are required for leadership, the skills which are required to handle a team. And this institute has a blend of all the academic concepts plus the extracurricular activities. I am really proud and happy to be a part of this institute where the students have made progress and they have achieved their dreams in the last, say, few years. Thank you.